In this tutorial, I'll show you how to whiteboard in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where you want to create your whiteboard. Next, click the Create button and select Whiteboard from the available options. Once the whiteboard opens, choose a template if you want a structured starting point, or select a blank whiteboard to begin from scratch. You can then start adding content using the tools available on the whiteboard toolbar. Use sticky notes to capture ideas, add text boxes for descriptions and headings, and insert shapes to organize concepts visually. You can also connect items with lines and arrows to create workflows, diagrams, or brainstorming maps. As your ideas develop, move and resize elements to keep the whiteboard organized and easy to understand. If you're working with a team, use the sharing options to invite collaborators so everyone can contribute in real time. Team members can add content, move objects, and participate in brainstorming sessions directly on the same whiteboard. Once your whiteboard is complete, review the layout and make any final adjustments. Your whiteboard will automatically remain part of your Confluence workspace, making it easy to revisit, update, and share whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to whiteboard in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.